Hi, I am Florence Mayfair, and welcome to Mayfair Astrology, where we decode the universe and reveal its cosmic secrets. This is your Virgo horoscope for May 2025, a month of mental expansion, career opportunities, and personal growth as the cosmos urges you to embrace learning, new connections, and long-term goals. Before we begin, I have something special for you. Download my free guide, 12 Rituals to Harness the Power of the Moon, plus the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner to help you align with the cosmic rhythms. The link is in the description below. Let's explore the wisdom of the stars together. Your astrological journey begins now. Let's dive in. May is a powerful month for career growth, intellectual expansion, and new opportunities. The new moon in Taurus, May 19th, highlights education, travel, and long-term ambitions, making it a great time to plan ahead. With Mars entering Leo on May 16th, you may feel drawn to spiritual reflection, personal healing, or behind-the-scenes work. Jupiter enters Gemini on May 25th, marking the beginning of a 12-month period of career expansion, professional success, and major recognition. New moon in Taurus, May 19th. A fresh start in your 9th house of higher learning, travel, and personal growth. This is the perfect time to expand your knowledge, start a course, or set long-term career goals. Mars in Cancer until May 16th. Leo after May 16. Before May 16th, Mars in Cancer energizes your social circles, friendships, and collaborations. After May 16th, Mars in Leo moves into your 12th house of reflection and inner work, encouraging spiritual practices and personal retreats. Jupiter enters Gemini May 25th. Jupiter moves into your 10th house of career and public image, bringing opportunities for promotions, leadership roles, and professional success over the next year. Career and finances. Your career takes a major leap forward this month, thanks to the new moon in Taurus, May 19th, which encourages bold decisions in education, business, and expansion efforts. With Jupiter entering Gemini on May 25th, expect new leadership opportunities, professional recognition, and success in long-term projects. If you've been waiting for a promotion or a chance to step into the spotlight, this is your time. Best dates for career and financial success. May 19th, new moon in Taurus, expansion in education, travel, and professional growth. May 25th, Jupiter enters Gemini, career success and leadership opportunities begin. Relationships. With Venus in Gemini until May 24th, your relationships will be influenced by career conversations, networking, and intellectual connection. After Venus enters Cancer on May 24th, love energy shifts toward emotional bonding, friendships, and community connections. If single, you may meet someone through work, networking, or shared professional goals. Best days for love. May 11-13, Venus trine Pluto, intense emotional conversations and relationship clarity. May 24th, Venus enters Cancer, romantic energy shifts to deeper emotional connection. Health and well-being. With Mars in Leo, after May 16th, you'll need to prioritize rest, emotional healing, and mental clarity. This is an excellent period for therapy, meditation, and self-care practices. Use the new moon in Taurus on May 19th to refresh mindset, self-discipline, and well-being habits. Best days for success. May 16th, Mars enters Leo, focus on personal healing and inner strength. May 19th, new moon in Taurus, set learning and career expansion goals. May 25th, Jupiter enters Gemini, career and public success begins. What to avoid. May 20, Mars square Jupiter, avoid overcommitting or taking on too many responsibilities at once. May 24-27, Saturn retrograde begins. Reflect on long-term professional discipline and self-improvement. May 2025 marks a turning point for Virgo, with major breakthroughs in learning, networking, and career success. The new moon helps you expand knowledge, while Jupiter in Gemini sets you on a path to professional growth and leadership. Want to dive deeper? Download the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner for free using the link in the description to align your actions with the cosmic cycles. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep looking to the stars.